Hello students, as you people know, JustPay is hiring the batch of 2020 and 2021 passing out students. So I would like to take you through the recruitment process. We have got the confirmation from the company that they are going to hire, and probably this week end or at the start of the next week we are going to have the placement process starting for JustPay. To start with, the package of the company is very good, and also the job profile. They're hiring for UI developer as well as software development engineer with a package of 8 lakh per annum. Traditionally, there used to be a academic criteria which was 70% throughout in 10th PUC and BE. On request for our college, they have eliminated that criteria at the start. Let's talk about the recruitment process now. So I'll take you through a PPT where we will be talking about a little bit about the company, the job description, complete process of recruitment, eligibility criteria along with CTC details, and how to apply for this job. Talking about the company provides mobile payment solution. It was founded in 2012 by Mr. Vimal Kumar and Ramanathan. It is a Bangalore based company. JustPay is not a payment gateway, but it works with any gateway with zero interference in the merchant PG relations. That means we are talking about the company, how good it is, what kind of job profile you are going to get. So if you see the apps like Bheem, you talk about Book My Show, you talk about Amazon, Make My Trip, Snapdeal, Swiggy, Yatra, etc. All those are the client of JustPay. The company processes more than 4 million transactions per month. Coming to the job description, as I already told, they are hiring for UI designer, developer. So they have given the designation as UI engineer. The another profile which is open for student of 2020 and 2021 passing out is software development engineer. Computer science, information science, electronics, and electrical students. These four branches, the student who belong to these four branches are eligible for this job opening. Talking about the recruitment process, JustPay has 2-day process. On the first day, you will have one online test. Approximately about 90 minutes will be given, and you can use any programming language as per your comfort for this online test. Further, the result will be announced. Based on the result, students will be shortlisted and their resume will be asked to be submitted. Once you submit the resume, the students will get telephonic interview. During this lockdown period, you will have telephonic interview, Skype interview, Hangout, Google Meet. So any kind of virtual interview process will be followed. This day is called Hackathon Day because on that day you will have hackathon held from JustPay. The selected students from technical interview will now be called for Just Pay Learn a Turn Challenge. This is what is hackathon. So that will be done for this duration is for it is a 2-day process finally, and finally after getting selected you will be offered. Now let's talk about the eligibility and CTC details. For 2020 batch, it is they are going to give 2 to 3 months of internship where you are going to be paid 20,000 per month, and on confirmation you will have a CTC of 8 lakh per annum. For 2021 batch, you are going to get 6 month internship with 20,000 per month. As you can see down, the criteria mentioned is 7 CGPA, 70% in 10th and 70% in PUC. This is the normal process. For this year, on request, they have eliminated this, and we will not have any percentage criteria to start with. Now, how to apply for this job? You will be shared a Google form from the college side. Anyways, I have mentioned here the Google form, a link which you can see here. But anyways, this will be shared to you once again through the college side, through your placement, coordinators, department placement coordinator will be sharing the details. Please apply for that, and wish you all the best. If you have any comment regarding that, you can always reach to your placement coordinator or placement officer of EPCET. All the best, students. Thank you so much.